Welcome to Church Media Production. I'm Andrew, and today we are going to be deboxing our utility cart that we got from Amazon for our mobile church to put our music stands and mic stands inside of. So let's get started. What we got is the biggest box ever from Amazon. Taped very nicely. I'm assuming that this box probably opened up during shipment, which is why they taped it like that. Because it's just a smaller box. Oh my goodness. Should have just shipped it in this box. Let's open this cap. That didn't cut it all either. Top. I'm guessing this is the middle probably. Legs. Wheels. Not sure what that's for. Instructions, and what I'm assuming is the bottom. So let's do the wheels, probably last. Okay, so those just go here. Okay, mount. We don't need to put it on the ground. We have a stand-up desk. Okay, so we are not putting it in the crossbar because we don't need it for what we're using it for, because we're going to drill a bunch of holes in this. I need more leverage. Let's put it back up here so the camera can see it. Actually a really sturdy cart. So that's it for our unboxing of our new utility cart. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up and leave a comment, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. We'll see you next time. So let's screw. And we will be good. And then giant holes that we're gonna have to drill, which will be fun to try to drill.